Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to delete multiple worksheets in one go. So let's say we want to delete sheet 3, analysis, items and worksheet 1. So these are the worksheets that we want to delete. So all you have to do is just select all of these one by one. So either you can delete one by one by going to the tab of the worksheet and then right clicking on it and then clicking on delete. Alternatively, if you are having multiple worksheets that you want to delete, then just click on any of the tabs of the worksheet and then click the command key if you're using Windows or command key if you're using Mac, and then select the rest of the worksheets that you want to delete. So once you have selected all of these worksheets, then these will be highlighted and then you can just right click on them and then select delete. So all those worksheets that you had selected will get deleted. So this is how you delete worksheets in Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.